Okay, alrighty, so my arcade machine is almost ready. And it's an arcade machine which you can also use as a stand-up racing arcade machine. The only thing which is bothering me about the arcade machine I built, I do not have a coin door. So I just bought a coin door, a real one, and you actually need 25-cent coins, and that's actually the part where the coins are falling through. And then you have a little spring here, you see that? And if the coin goes through and it's the right coin, you have two connectors here, which you can actually tap into these two switches there. And then you have a functioning arcade machine. And you see it's just pretty easy going through. And then usually it will just fall out down here, which is supposed to be. So you have to put something under there, and that's actually the whole trick. What you can do, you can take this middle part out here. So which means if it would be sold in Japan, in Europe, or somewhere else, or Canada, where you have different coins, you just change that part, and then you can actually use it for every country. So one coin is not going out. Let's just push this one here. Oh, it's already in there, you see? So this coin actually didn't work, and we have it here, so that's also working. Okay, so first thing we want to do, we want to make the cutout for the coin door, which we have here, and then hopefully I measured right. Once we have that cutout, we go from there. Okay, so the cutout is done, and now let's just see if it fits. It fits, and we're gonna adjust it later. And now what you see, the graphics are actually not matching anymore. So to address that graphics problem, we actually gonna put vinyl here. And once we put the vinyl here, it actually has no graphics anymore, but then it should just look better. Okay, so as just mentioned, we've put the vinyl on now. Now the graphics are gone. We're gonna put the door in. I had to do it a little bit out of the middle because how it looks inside my arcade cabinet. We also gonna put the buttons back in there, and that's the next step. Okay, alrighty, so I finally installed the coin door. Let's just check here. We have 10 coins now. Let's just push the button we have here. Let's go to 15. The other one is working as well. Let's go to 20, but here is the thing. Now we have a coin, we have the coin door, and let's just see what happens. 21, 22. So you see, finally my dream arcade is ready. I can hook up the racing wheel if I want to. Okay, honestly, I have to work on that cable management here. But you see, it's pretty much working now. And except the shell, everything was a DIY project, and now I have a real coin door in there.